Well, there it is, guys. The bike's all put together. Thank you so much for your help. I tried to film the assembly process yesterday. Whew, not good at that. Brought out a tripod, did my best to try and film it. Oh my god. So I get it out of the box, sitting in the living room, and open my toolbox, only to find out that my 2 wrenches have gone out to Urias, to Lupita's sister's house, on loan. Oh, so I had to go down the street, go to the neighbor, borrow a couple wrenches, come back, put it together. But I'm very pleased with the quality of this bike. It's a beautiful bike. And man, Andrea's going to be happy with this. And just finished it this morning, putting the basket on. That was a task. I had to figure out how that all worked. But anyway, it's done. It's ready to go. I had a pump here. I got air in the tires. It's got a beautiful saddle. Look at this nice soft seat. And this basket is a rubber-coated wire mesh. Pretty solid affair. Chain guard, keep your pants clean. What a nice bike. Thanks again, guys. You can't beat it. We've gone and turned something really bad into something really good. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.